continuing with 5.1. I had told you all that I'll be showing you one substitution method, right? So I'll show you one of the sum in substitution method, girls. Try, if you just look at it and if you follow, very good. It's a very easier method comparatively. I pick up this fourth question. Two y minus x is equal to 0. So therefore I can write x is equal to 2y. Do you agree to this? X is equal to 2y. Right? Then we have the second equation, 10x plus 15y equals to 105. This is my second equation. Okay. Now, what I'll do is, I'll substitute this first equation in second. That means in place of x, I will put it as 2y. So my second equation becomes 10 into 2y plus 15y equals to 105. Substituting equation 1 in equation 2. So 20y plus 15y equals 105. What is 20 plus 15? Yes, 35 equals to 105. So what is y equal to 105 divided by 35? If you know the table, it is 3 times. 35 3s is 105. Yes or no? So y equals to 3. Once you have got the value of y, substituting value of y, that is substituting y equals to 3 in equation. Which equation? Correct. Equation 1. X equals to 2y. So x equals to 2 into 3. So x equals to 6. This is very clear. Now, we have done in the substitution method. Is that very clear? The same sum we will do in the other method. I had given you homework. Were you all able to do it? I think some of you must have done. So let us write the equation. 2y minus x is equal to 0, equation 1. And the second equation is 10x plus 15y equals to 105. So, if I remove 5 common in the second equation, what do I get? I get 2x plus 3y is equal to, divide this also, you get 20y. Yes or no? So if I remove common like that, I can get a equation which is friendly. No, again it is not a friendly equation, so we need not bother about this. Okay, so now we have this. So what we do is, we have to make x as 10. I rearrange the first equation. It becomes x plus 2y is equal to 0. Easier to understand. So I will not number this. I'll rearrange and number it this way. So multiplying equation 1 by 10 minus 10x plus 20y equals to 0. This is your equation 3. Now you concentrate on 3 and 2. What do? We add. Adding 2 and 3. 10x plus 15y equals to 105 plus minus 10x plus 20y equals to 0. Add them. This gets cancelled. 35y equals to 105 y equals to 105 divided by 35. So y equals to 3. Substitute that y equals to 3 in equation 1. You will get the value of x as 6. So what I am trying to show you is whether you do it in the substitution method or elimination method, any method you get the same values for the solution. Is that very clear? So if you feel at times substitution method is easy, it was open for you to do it. Now also there is no restriction, girls. If you have learnt it, you know it, you feel that is easier, you can surely go for it. Because substitution looks little more comfortable for certain types of sums. So you can surely think about it. Now we go to, yes, I think I had given this exercise homework. So all of you must have done it. Those who have done it, very, very good. Those who have not done also, very, very good. Because you are so busy, na? You have some other options left for you other than studies. Right? See girls, if you are not doing the homework, at least in that way you practice the sum what we have done in the class. That is the reason for me giving the homework. I'll do the sums quickly once. If anyone is interested, kindly, I'll not wait for you to write and all. Okay, so I copy the first equation there. So we have it as 2x plus 3y equals to minus 4. I number it now after arranging. X minus 5y equals to 11. This is equation 2. So 3 and 5 not at all friendly. So I multiply equation 2 by 2. We obtain 2x minus 10y equals to 22, equation 3. Now we don't look at equation 2, we only pay attention to first and third. So what can be done? Subtracting 3 from, 2 is not 1. Therefore, what do you have? 2x plus 3y equals to minus 4 minus 2x minus 10y equals to 22. Subtraction, show the sign change. What happens is 2 gets cancelled. 3 plus 10 is 13y. 22 minus 24 minus 26. Oh yeah, sorry. 10 plus 3 is 13y. Therefore, what is y equal to? Minus 26 upon 13. So, y equals to minus 2. If y is minus 2, substitute. Where to substitute? In equation, substitute y equals to minus 2. In equation, I prefer the second one. Okay, so in that second one, when I substitute, what do I get? X minus 5 into minus 2 equals to 11. X plus 10 equals to 11. X equals to 1. So 1 comma minus 2 is the solution. Got it? Now I go to the sixth one. Even the sixth one I will do it faster. Those who have done can cross check your answers. This was homework sum I am discussing with you. Equation 1. Second one is 3x plus y equals to 22. Equation 2. Now, you have to equalize the y coefficient. So, therefore, I multiply the second equation by, yes, 7, a bigger number. So, what we obtain? 21x plus 7y equals to 22 7s is 154. So which equation to ignore now? Yes, the second one. So taking into account the first and third, what we do? Adding 1 and 3 we get. Okay. I'm sure many of you have got the answer, right girls? So you are doing cross checking, so I am also not wasting much of your time. So we add, what gets cancelled? 7 gets cancelled. So 23x equals to, yes, 161. So 161, how many times in 23? Not surely 8, because 8 2 is 16, it is not closer. So it has to be 7. Check whether it is 7. Is it 7? Yes, it is 7. 7 3s are 21, 2, 7 2s are 14, plus 2, 16. So if x is 7, substitute. X equals to 7 in which equation? Yes, the easiest one is second equation. So 3 into 7 plus y equals to 22. 21 plus y equals to 22. So y equals to 1. So what is the solution? 7, 1. I hope all of you have got this answer. Right girls? So with that we complete 5.1. After completing 5.1, just turn the book to problem set. You have some similar sums there. So in problem set, when you look at the problem set, you can see is page number 91. Solve this second question. Solve this following simultaneous equation. Don't you feel that you will be able to these type of sums from here? Second, there are only 4 sums to be done and they are quite easy. Yes girls, can you all try that? Second, all the 4. Even third also all the 4. I am going to do with you the fourth one. Solve the simultaneous equation, fourth one.